Thank you for joining in. This project is funded by the European Union Horizon program. Welcome. To start, let's hear your origin story. Can you tell us a bit about yourself, where you are located, and your background?
We are the Bosch team, Karen Salmon and Achim Mott. Karen is a technologies developer at Bosch and is located in Germany, Kusterdingen, close to Stuttgart. Her background is mineralogy. Achim is a repair specialist located in Hildesheim, close to Hanover. His education is an electronic engineer. They both work in the automotive sector of Bosch and representing one of 4 pilots within the Circ-uits project. Bosch brings together comprehensive expertise in vehicle technology with hardware, software, and services to offer complete mobility solutions. The pilot they bring in is called ESP, the Electronic Stability Program. Almost every new car has an ESP, and it makes a significant contribution to road safety by preventing vehicles from skidding, thus helping to prevent accidents and save lives. Achim and Karen are representing the beginning and the end of the ESP product. Karen is developing the technologies used to build up a product and bring it into production. Achim is in the so-called aftermarket. Here, products which are already in use can come back and will get repaired. He offers a wide range of spare parts to the aftermarket and repair shops, from new and exchange parts to repair solutions, as well as repair shop equipment such as diagnostic software and hardware.
What is your superpower, and why does the world need you?
My superpower is creativity, passion, and my communication skills. To develop new products, you cannot do that by your own. There are a couple of technologies, materials, and components to combine. For each, we have a specialist, and we all work together in a project to get out the best target communication. And creative solutions are very important. My biggest passion is to save the environment and make the world a little bit better for my kids, for you, and for me. Achim's superpower is his knowledge about all the repair skills. He can quickly dismantle parts by his own. His passion is to repair and therefore increase the lifetime of a product. Within Circ-uits, both superpowers are needed to understand the product and improve it.
Heroes have their super gadgets. What is yours?
Our super gadget is the collective and creative brainpower of our interdisciplinary team. We bring together expertise of technologies, repair, and material. This allows us to understand the product better and improve.
Awesome! Now, let's dive into what you do. What is the primary mission of your work within the Circ-uits project? How does your work contribute to the overall objectives of improving circularity in the automotive and mass electronics sectors?
Mission 1. Achim and I want to make the ESP more sustainable. Therefore, we rethink the design and including several ideas like using recycled or different materials, designing the product in the way it is easier to repair and later easier to recycle. This will increase lifetime, improve the possibility of circularity, and will decrease the total CO2 footprint of our electronics. We are thinking about how we can evaluate the repairability of a product. Mission 2. Also, we try to make it measurable because it is not easy to compare products with each other. An example. Try to compare a fully automatic coffee machine with a pad machine and tell me which one is easier to repair? We have applied the repair standard EN 45554 to our product and realized that we need something better here. Together with DIN and Office, we are working on a CWA to achieve just that. We enjoy the great cooperation with the partner because circularity you can never do alone.
That's inspiring! Now, can you share some of the key accomplishments and results of your work in the Circ-uits project so far?
We have learned a lot about CO2 calculation, LCA, exergy, recycling, and digital tools. It's a pleasure to work with such diverse partners. We found out that the main contribution to the carbon footprint is the PCBs with their components, and especially the components themselves. We have also realized that we need to change and best avoid material combinations to achieve a good recycling rate. And we have learned that the key to sustainability is always to disassemble the product as much as possible. In our case, it is possible to separate the housing, circuit board, and coils, and we have even made initial attempts to dismantle larger components. However, we have also realized that we need regulations and standards in order to be able to compare products and remain competitive and legal. For example, it is very difficult to assess the possibility of repair. That's why we are also working closely with DIN to create a CWA.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights and experiences with us. Your work is truly inspiring and demonstrates the immense potential of a circular economy. To our audience, thank you for tuning in. If you're as passionate about sustainability and innovation as we are, Here's how you can get involved. Stay connected with us on our social media and website for the latest updates and insights from the Circ-uits project. Whether you're an individual or an organization, there are plenty of ways to contribute. Reach out to us to learn more about partnership opportunities, events, and initiatives.